Hello viewers, I am Ashiya Sheikh, your host. Today talk about why Karan Johar said Takht is not sleeved, it's just delayed. Despite all the controversy that unnecessary surround him, a Karan Johar movie is always higher weighted. Takht is not different. The filmmaker announced the star's sudden cast of his Magnum Opus in 2019, which includes Kareena Kapoor Khan, Ranveer Singh, Alia Bhatt, and Anil Kapoor. The film was reportedly going on floors next month, but production was halted due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. However, rumors have plagued the film since the beginning, with no comment or news from Johar and team regarding Takht. Whispers bounded that the film had been sleeved due to the high production cost of other Dharma films like Brahmastra. Bollywood Hungama reported yesterday that Takht has been sleeved. There are several reasons why it has happened to being with it's too costly a film. Its budget is expected to be around 300 crores like every other producer. Even Karan Johar had to bear losses due to COVID-19. Also, his expensive films like Brahmastra and Lingar are already in production or awaiting release, along with his mid-sized ones like Sher Shah, Dostana 2, Jug Jug Jio, and Shakun Batra next. Adding Takht to the next list won't be a good idea, our sources told the websites. Since the very beginning, no studio was on board for the film. It was believed that Fox Star Studios was backing Takht because of its partnership with Dharma Production. But the fact is that Fox was never on board. Karan tried pitching Takht on other studios, but his effort proved fully, the sources added, and also said Takht is based on Mughal history. The currently political climate is violent, and you never know when things can get ugly. We also what happened with Sanjay Leela Bhansali Padmavati in 2018. Karan Johar felt there were no way he can risk taking such a project in such time, as a lot of money would then be at stake. As a result, Karan Johar has decided to sleeve Takht for now. He may revisit the project maybe after a couple of years. However, the star filmmaker has now come out with a treasy and creepy statement to Sport Boy. Takht is not sleeved, it's just delay, Karan Johar said. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel so that your friends are also up to date latest Bollywood news. Right now I am signing off, but will come shortly with new updates. Thank you.